We're doing
What's
it
up,
on the
guys?
Nexus. Okay.
Yo, we're gonna do a Halloween special this time. We're gonna be playing character decks. Whiteout will be playing Bonz, and my partner in crime here, ArchEmemy, will be playing Panik. So this is gonna be a spooky themed character duel. If y'all are ready, let's get going.
No ban list. This is Master Rule 3, 2014. Duel!
Oh.
Starting off with a misclick.
I forgot I was already ready. Ah! High fived, scissored.
Oh.
High fived.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Oh.
I guess that means I'm probably going first.
We didn't even do a sound check on the lowering the mics. Lowering the... That's it. Terraforming for what?
Yummy.
Yummy. This is as old as it gets.
I bet I know what the card that is too. And if it is what I think it is, I'm not gonna be able to get over it. Actually, you know what's funny? I confusion summon.
Oh.
The hell?
I'm gonna summon Great Mammoth. Whatever this is, it's a normal monster, but it's got 2200. And then I'm gonna activate Wasteland to make him 24. And then now I think I can get over what the thing is. I'm pretty sure this is... Yep, that's exactly what I thought it was, the Castle of Dark Illusions. Yeah, weird thing about this is we are both playing that. Yep.
What's even worse is I have nothing.
Oof. Well, normal summon Mizuki.
This is an old card.
Defense. Yeah. Hit him for a little bit of damage here.
Oh, I got it.
Oof.
Wow, did he just pass?
Oh no. I can also... I could be silly. Yeah.
Is this the
We're gonna do
match?
combo. Summon a ritual summon. I don't know. Oh man, I thought I was gonna tribute the Mizuki as well.
No, it's equal to, right?
Yeah, I think it says exactly.
Equal
No,
or
it says
more.
6 or more, so I should have been able to pick both.
Why weren't you? Did you rush it?
No, I didn't.
It didn't give you an
I
option.
just clicked on that, and since it was 6 already, I guess it just didn't give me an option to
Yeah,
add
you
more.
probably should have did Mizuki and that.
Yeah, click Mizuki first.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Well, I lost 100 attack. Or no, I lost 300 attack, actually. I'm racking up those dueling points, though.
Was it a Kaiba Cup?
No, you know what's funny? Just because I can, I'm gonna tribute summon Ill Blood. Just summon all the big guys. What I was saying about the dueling points is the fusion summon, ritual summon, normal summon, special summon.
Oh yeah, okay. You still play
Yes,
Duel
this
Links?
is set to a match. No, I mean a little bit. I'm trying to get back into it, just because like vampires are okay. Ooh, okay, interesting. Yeah, let's set that, and your go. I have actual effect monsters this time.
I wouldn't be surprised if you just passed. Oh, it's got a monster
It's gonna be a
set.
castle. Shifting Shadows. Welp. Let's put that back in the hand.
Crass clown.
And then this guy has a lot of attack, even though I can't use his effect right now.
Zombie master.
Zombie Master is really good, like even today. Okay.
Who is it again? Bonz and who?
This is Bonz and Panik.
And Panik. Okay. Looks like Bonz is winning.
Bones' deck is actually kind of good. What would be really funny is if I Xyz summoned. I literally have one card in my extra deck that's 3 copies.
Dang.
Oh wow.
And yeah, it's just that vanilla fusion guy. I'm thinking about what order I want to do these things in. Because if I summon this, it won't do the thing unless it flips. Can I just put on just damage? Yeah, I guess I can. We'll just go for damage. I'm gonna summon this. We're gonna activate. Wait, why can't I activate Zombie Master? Oh, he's a fiend. God damn it. I misplayed really bad. I thought he was a zombie.
Uh-oh.
How would he not be a zombie? Well, we swing at that.
High
One
defense.
effect can be chained. Oh yeah, I can chain the thing, but yep, it is higher defense. But we're gonna keep. He's gonna boost me, and then I'm gonna boost myself because he controls that. So it's kind of okay. Because Pumpkin, as long as there's a Castle of Dark Illusions on the field, will continuously gain attack. And Castle will pump zombie monsters too.
Is that a tribute set? Uh-oh.
Tribute set. Oh, what's big in here?
What master rule is this? Master rule 3?
Yeah.
Because it can choose Master Rule 1.
That's what it would be.
But this is actually
Yeah.
Master Rule 1, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to get over it. I don't know what it's got.
Oof.
2150. That's big.
Metal Guardian.
Yep.
That's a 2150 defense.
I guess I could have set. That would have been fine.
Come on, Panik. Oh. Oh. Another tribute set. Probably a higher defense.
It'd have to be.
2250.
Let's do.
You're one of my tricky cards.
Well, the thing is, I can shuffle it back, but I don't think that would actually be beneficial to me. I think it might be more beneficial to just do this.
Set pass?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Reaper.
Of the cards.
Will just be funny. It's gonna get destroyed anyway.
Let's call it a haunted. Call it a haunted.
Dark energy,
Ooh,
not big enough.
300.
Dark
Oh,
big
another
enough.
one.
That's big enough.
It's 900.
Big Reaper.
Big Reaper.
Oh. Castle of Dark Illusion. Destroyed.
Yep. No, we just have fiends. Not quite game.
Dragon Zombie.
We're getting there.
Oh, there you go. Pumpkin. Destroy. Direct. Direct. Oh, 20.
Yep.
Or
and
12.
then-
30. What?
Yep. And then I have the most insane follow-up.
Yeah, I got that one.
Oh, wow.
Alright.
Dark Titan of Terror. Shifting Shadows.
Don't kill yourself, I got a follow-up I want to do. Well, I don't think you can kill yourself, you just take
Oh,
damage.
no. Yeah. Just trying to go for that Harakuri.
So what I was gonna do is I can special summon Kasha, and then he shuffles all monsters back into the deck, including yours, and then he gains 3,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I had nothing.
Finish him! Oof. Thank you, ArchEmemy and Yugioh for the duel.
Unfortunately, the Bonz deck is just a little bit better. I think the Panik deck strategy is mostly just setting big defense monsters. So
Alright,
like,
guys. Comment, share, like, if it's up, it's reflected. See you guys.